Hey, Norxie, may tatanong ako. Ano, 3 months na lang, usapang February. Usapang February next 2025. 3 months to go na lang ha. Anong gagawin? Papataasin natin yan. Papalalaki, papalakihin. Tama ba yan?
Okay.
Kamus Pero hindi, not today, kadisi. Oink, oink. Not this month because it's still muddy because of the Kongray, the monster storm. Kongray, the monster storm.